The sound of freedom. The sound that signals everyone to one thing. The hallways. The walls have been changed. These signs with these cats. Everywhere. The stairwells have been taken over by these feline intruders, and I had to get to the bottom of this.
This final cat poster is stationed at the bottom of the A hallway stairs towards the front of the school at the main entrance. It welcomes students and faculty alike and reminds them to see this cat. But who created this? Let's find out.
I knew that this would be no easy search, and I didn't know that hacking was in my wheelhouse, but I found suspects nonetheless. It was difficult to narrow them down. Too obvious. Not obvious enough. He's the dog person. Unfortunately, wishful thinking. Too new. My search led me to one person. Dr. Thiele was the perfect suspect. He had the means. He's the superintendent. All I had to know was if he loved cats.
Can you state your name for the record?
I'm Dr. Hank Thiele, Superintendent of Schools for Community High School District 99.
Have you heard about these cat posters in Downers Grove South?
I'm aware of them.
But do you think they're harmful at all?
I wouldn't say harmful. They're fine.
So are you saying you support vandalism?
I wouldn't say that. Why would a superintendent say that?
He couldn't get his story straight.
Yet you support these posters that are being put up without authorization?
This isn't about support or not support. It's just that they're there.
So can you give me a clear answer? Do you support these cat posters and their vandalism or not?
I'm not going to be backed into a corner here. This is done. Stop the interview. We are done here. Stop. Turn off that camera. We are done.
I thought I reached a dead end when I realized I'd left some film equipment, and what I found was shocking.
What are you doing?
This is very important research for the school district. I'm doing work.
Caught red-handed.
Ultimately, the case is now closed, and life has returned back to normal as it was before this great controversy erupted at Downers Grove South High School. The moral of the story is, own up to your actions, because when people see them, they might appreciate them for what they are, fluffy and adorable.